Hi, welcome to Pocket Size Buzz, a series of videos to the security industry that proves that good things come in small packages. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence and the growth of video analytics being used within security solutions not only enhances their business protection, but also enable employees to work smarter and systems to work harder. There are three key areas where AI and video analytics can really make a difference. They can help to prevent an incident from progressing by accurately recognizing unusual behavior and raising the alarm. They can provide highly accurate post-event search capabilities. This has been evident in a recent high-profile police investigation demonstrating the capability of playback analytics for gathering credible evidence. And AI-equipped security solutions can provide precious insights for businesses, allowing them to maximize the return on investment. In recent times, products equipped with AI have become far more economical as the strength of their potential has gathered pace. Norbain works with many of the leading manufacturers of AI and deep learning security solutions. If you'd like to find out more, head to norbain.com or give us a call.